Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to connect your PayPal account to Gumroad, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is. Let's get into it. So what you want to do is log into your Gumroad account, and you'll see right over here, this is what the homepage looks like. You want to go and look for dashboard on the top right hand side, and this is where you'll be able to manage all of your account details. On the left hand side, you'll have this menu. You're going to go all the way to the bottom, and you're going to look for settings. And once you've opened settings, you'll see that these are a few of the settings. Right here at the top, you're going to look for payments. Now, I've already gone into payments. This is what it looks like. So essentially what you need to do is you need to first add a valid bank account. So once you've added a valid bank account, you can actually see once all these details have been filled in, you can go all the way to the bottom. And once this has been added, you'll be able to see a PayPal button. And you'll then be able to add PayPal as a payment setting to your Gumroad account. It'll be right here at the bottom.